Okay, I think we're running. So the first thing I'm going to do is show myself deleting this perfectly good copy of Ubuntu and replacing it with another copy that I'm sure is going to be just as good, if not better. Dun, da, da, da. Oh, and we need the drive. It has the operating system on it. And do, 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 do. Browse a little and cancel that and browse here. And cancel that. And there we are. And we're going to call ourselves Bob2, and the username is Bob, and CIS1234, CIS1234, next, nexto, we'll give it 20 gigabytes because we've got lots of space, and it's off to the races, and I'm going to pause things now.